Hello to all workaholic individuals like me who also believe in life quote that work-life balance is a must. So come on, tara, join me as I take the steps on my days off adventure. So speaking of workaholic individuals, my boyfriend will be joining with us today, and so is my sister and her boyfriend because they also work 5 days in a week. And today we came up with the idea to drive up the hill and check this highly talked about old Kasaroro Falls up in Valencia. So tara, let's! Now let us do a quick stop to get a bottle of Coke to sustain us in our long hike because Coke is life. So we are now in our starting point and we just parked our bike to the side of the road and let's go. So I've been to Old Kasaroro Falls once with my cousin Emin and our friends, and that was before the typhoon Odette. So I am not sure what it's gonna look like after then because the said typhoon actually causes a lot of damages in our mother nature. So let's check it out together. Hey buddy, are you sure you can keep up with the hike? I hope so. And as you can see, the steps are not paved yet, so these are a stack of bag of soil that they put in as a temporary steps to go downhill. And to my surprise, they also put a bamboo rail for everyone to use for safety purposes. That's cool. Paningkamot sir, kay ligon pa bitaw kag tuhod. Is it just me? But I could already hear the sound of peace. How long did it take us, love? How long did it take us to get here? 20 minutes? Not yet. 15 minutes? 10? Yeah, it's about 10 minutes walk or hike. So we are here. So we are here. We just arrived in our first destination. Vlad is saying it's worth the hike. And as we are checking the place, we found out we are not the only ones, but it's okay. Now we get to see the natural swimming pool with fresh water. I can't wait to dip in the water. And as you can see, there is a nipa hut right there. So as per tatay, everyone can actually use it because it actually has a toilet inside and so is a faucet or source of water. But I am not sure if it is good for overnight stay because there is no sign of electricity. So while enjoying the nature, we also have to prepare food for our lunch, of course, because we are hungry. And we will have our lunch here. And then after lunch, we will go to the old Kasaroro Falls. So here's Joy showing her skills. And si tatay, ga-emote siya, unsa daga iyang problema. Ay kabalaka tay, kay na ako'y 13-month pay, tagaan kag kwarta. Pero joke lang. And here it is. Food is served. Bon appetit! So, kay busog naman, let us go to our next destination. Lisod ang dalan pero gipaning kamutan kay gatuol lagi nga beautiful road often lead to a beautiful destination. Halaka, pag sure oy.
Let's go!
And we are finally here, the old Kasaroro Falls. Ah, the sound of the waterfalls and the mist as it hits and the greenery surrounding it is just so serene. It's just so calm and peaceful. And that's about it for this week. Join me again next week as I go on my next Days of Adventure. Bye!